Did you know that a single meal, yes, just one, can start reversing heart disease and type 2 diabetes within days? Not months, not years, just days. If you think healing your body naturally is impossible, stay with me, because what I'm about to share might completely change how you see food and health forever. Hello friends, and welcome back to our health channel, where we learn how to heal naturally, live longer, and feel amazing again. Today's topic is one that can literally save lives. We read talking about the best meal to reverse heart disease and type 2 diabetes, two of the world. This most dangerous and silent killers. But here's the truth most people don't hear. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself if you give it the right fuel. Food isn't just calories, it's information. Every bite you take tells your body what to do, to heal, or to harm. Most people with heart disease or type 2 diabetes aren't sick because of bad luck or genetics. They re-sick because of years of wrong food choices. Too much processed food, sugar, refined oil, white flour, and animal fat slowly damage the arteries, raise blood sugar, and create inflammation. Think about it, your heart is like a garden hose. When you eat heavy, greasy, sugary meals, you clog it up with fat and toxins. Blood can't flow freely. Oxygen can't reach your heart muscles. And when that happens over and over again, heart attacks, strokes, and diabetes become the result. But here's the hope. Just as food can destroy, food can also heal. Let's talk about the best meal you can eat to begin reversing the damage. And no, it's not a magic pill or an expensive supplement. It's a whole food plant-based meal. Simple, natural, and loaded with nutrients your body understands. Here's what this powerful meal looks like. A large bowl of mixed vegetables, raw or lightly steamed. Kale, carrots, bell peppers, the more colors, the more healing power. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or oats. These give slow, steady energy and help control blood sugar. Legumes, lentils, beans, or chickpeas. These are rich in fiber and plant protein that lower cholesterol and stabilize glucose levels. Healthy fats, a few nuts, seeds, or half an avocado. These protect your heart and reduce inflammation. Spices, turmeric, garlic, and ginger. Nature's own medicines that clean your blood vessels and protect your cells. Water or green tea instead of sugary drinks to flush toxins and hydrate your cells. One clean plant-rich meal can start improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and balancing sugar within hours. Yes, hours. Research from doctors like Dr. Dean Ornish, Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn, and Dr. Neil Barnard shows that a plant-based diet doesn't just stop heart disease, it can reverse it. In clinical studies, patients who switched to these meals saw their arteries open, their blood pressure normalize, and their diabetes markers drop dramatically, often within weeks. Why? Because plants heal from the inside. They lower LDL cholesterol, boost nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels, and fill your body with antioxidants that repair damaged cells. Your body wants to heal. It's begging to heal. You just have to stop blocking it with toxic food. Here's how your day might look if you truly want to heal your heart and reverse diabetes. Breakfast: oatmeal with chia seeds, cinnamon, and berries. High fiber, no sugar spikes. Lunch: brown rice bowl with lentils, mixed veggies, olive oil, and lemon. Energizing and cleansing. Dinner: a big salad with beans, greens, tomatoes, cucumber, garlic, and turmeric dressing. Light, healing, and anti-inflammatory. Snacks: a handful of nuts, fruit or carrot sticks instead of chips or cookies. Within weeks, you'll feel more energy, clearer skin, sharper focus, and a lighter heart, both emotionally and physically. Here's the truth. Healing starts in the kitchen, not in the pharmacy. You don't have to live in fear of heart attacks, high blood sugar, or endless medications. You just have to take back control. One meal, one choice at a time. The best meal for your heart and pancreas isn't fancy or complicated. It's simple, plant-based, colorful, and alive. The kind of food that loves you back. Remember, your body is not your enemy. It's your greatest friend, and it's waiting for you to feed it love through every bite. I know some of you watching might be thinking, but I've been diabetic for 10 years, or my doctor said my heart can't heal. Please don't give up. Your cells renew, your arteries repair, your body listens to your choices. No matter your age, your story can change. Starting with your next meal, healing isn't a miracle, it's a decision. That decision starts at your dinner plate. So my friends, if you want to reverse heart disease or type 2 diabetes, stop looking for magic pills. Start looking at your plate. Every meal is either fighting disease or feeding it. You choose which one. Choose the meal that gives you life, not takes it away. Eat plants, eat colors, eat clean. Watch your body thank you in ways you never imagined. You are not broken, you are healing. And your journey starts today with one powerful meal. If this message inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone you love who needs hope. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips, healing foods, and life-changing inspiration every week. Remember, food is medicine, your body is miraculous, and healing begins with your next meal. Would you like me to format this speech into a teleprompter-style script? Shorter sentences, easy pauses, bold emphasis for delivery? It'll make it perfect for recording your YouTube video naturally.